guys, this is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 2 of Stuti Speaks. So as you all know, like अब तक सबको पता चल गया होगा that season 2 is all about my guest. So today I have a very special guest with me whose name is Anmol. And firstly, let me tell how I met Anmol. So I was going through my Instagram and I was in explore section. So where I saw this reel. So I clicked on this reel and I saw this was from Anmol and she was talking about manifestation, which I really liked. And then I explored her more and saw more reels. So I actually liked the whole profile and the vibe. So then I started following you, and then I one day randomly messaged you that do you want to do a podcast, and you happily
Yeah.
said yes. So thank you so much for that. So I will pass it to over to you, and more. You can tell a bit about yourself, and then we can start with your journey, and then we can take head forward from that. So over to you, Anmol.
Yes. Thank you, Stuti. Thank you so much for seeing my reel and reaching out. I am so happy that you did so. And this is actually my first podcast that I'm on. So this will always be special. Thank you. So, hi guys. I'm Anmol. I am Manifestation Goddess on Instagram. And about my journey, I think I started learning about manifestation about 6 7 years ago, and that was in college. And just like everyone starts, it's through the book The Secret. And that's when everything shifted, that oh aise bhi hota hai, like really this is something, life is something that I have in my hands, and this is so fascinating. Why don't more people know about this? So I, like, starting में it was too good to be true, and it was like, oh pata nahi if ये सच है या नहीं, let's try it out. So I tried in college. I tried for, first day I went for shopping, and I wanted like a specific color and a specific style of dress, and that happened within like 7 8 minutes. So I was blown away that okay, maybe coincidence, okay, let's try more things. So that year I experimented a lot with it. And yeah, it happened, everything happened. So from then I was like, okay, this is something great. But as in when I was going ahead, I realized that the secret was just the tip, उसमें सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से बताया है. So I taught myself a lot of things to through YouTube and through books and stuff. So then I think years passed by, and during the pandemic, I was interning. So by education, I am a graphic designer. So I
Okay.
was interning that time, and just pandemic hit, and it was such a confusing time for everyone. So I just wanted to do something that made me happy. So that's when my friends were like, you explain manifestation so well, so why don't you like start doing that on Instagram? So pehle pehle to sirf started posting explanations, and then one day suddenly one girl messaged me that I love how you explain, will you teach me personally? So that's when I
Wow.
was like, oh, this could be a thing. I mean, but like, in India, it's still very new for a
Mm.
manifestation coach. It's still very new for spiritual coaches in life. So, yeah, when that one girl said, I was like, oh, okay, I don't have to like, uh, you know, do anything else if this is my passion. So I'm glad that I found my calling, and now I teach everyone manifestation, what I love doing even in college. Now I do it for a living, so I'm grateful for that.
Wow, yeah, that I mean, but it automatically just got converted. It was
Yeah, yeah.
organic and never. So how like you did that one-to-one class with that girl as a start?
Yeah, so we had a session, and it went so great. She manifested her marriage. She manifested going to Turkey on a honeymoon during the pandemic, मतलब जब better हो रहा था, and it was going to get worse again. So she was like, very scared about जाने मिलेगा या नहीं, and her to be husband was considering canceling the Turkey honeymoon. So we kept having our sessions, and then I started becoming more confident that okay, through me people are achieving
Their
things
goals.
that they wanted. तो ऐसे क्या by fluke तुक्का नहीं मार रही हूँ, like I'm
Hmm.
actually teaching something good.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
then I started putting myself more out there. I started manifesting more people, and because of reels, thanks to reels that you also met me, now so many people see me, and followers are growing, clients are growing. So
Wow.
yeah.
And I think you have a batch named as the goddess.
Golden goddess, yes.
The golden goddess. So
Yes.
there are batches. I mean, there are people working in those batches together
Yes.
as a group.
Actually, it's a premium membership. So
Okay.
they don't, like, there is no group as such. They
Okay.
work one on one with me.
You
But for
with you.
me to having a group of people becomes easier because like I am keeping in touch with those 10 girls then for the
Hmm.
whole
Hmm.
month.
For the whole month.
Basically, yeah, one on one sessions so chali rahe mere,
Okay.
which like people contact me and we have a one time call where so basically they start with first call and then they see whether we are vibing, and mostly obviously we are vibing,
Wait.
and then they continue to do so ahead. Some take twice a month, we talk. Some people talk once in 1-2 months, depends
Okay.
on how their emotional levels are. मतलब खुद
Hmm.
कितने inclined है and खुद
Hmm.
कितने stable है. अगर
Hmm.
ज्यादा stable है वो लोग तो we talk in once in 1-2 months,
Hmm.
and if they need more help then we talk more often. But the monthly thing is like when you know that you want to up level your life, like
Hmm.
you are jumping from, suppose monetary terms mein 20,000, say you want to make a jump in your life where you're getting 50,000 a month, and like you want to have that leap where you are seeking a specific person and then you want to like get married
Hmm.
and stuff.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
basically when you want to see evident changes in your life, that
Hmm.
monthly contact really helps.
Hmm. So you told about that college incident where you were
Hmm.
able to manifest that particular dress. Any
Yeah.
other particular? See, I do believe in manifestation a lot.
Hmm.
और मैं manifestation I think तब से करती हूँ जब तुम्हें word नहीं पता होता था manifest होता
हाँ.
है. I think और the secret से ही my journey started, but it
हाँ.
started in somewhere in say.
Okay.
That was the time I read. Somebody told me to read The Secret. मैंने then book नहीं पढ़ी. I saw the movie first.
Okay.
And then I even I was like कि यार ये भी होता है. मतलब basically now I'm a spiritual healer, but my proper journey of actual में that started from The Secret only. It was the first thing which, and then हाँ तो मैं बोल दे रही थी. I mean we manifest जब हमें particularly manifest का term नहीं पता थी, but
हाँ.
we start doing that.
Yeah.
So I want to, even I had many experiences, like I went to Dubai as my first international trip.
Oh
That
wow.
was manifestation. I gifted myself on one of the Valentine's Day, and then I went to Singapore. I went to Thailand. All my international trips were my
Travels. Yeah.
manifestations. Then I went to Sri Lanka. So I mean those were my manifestation. Then getting good jobs, and over the period of time you realize
Yeah.
getting a dream home, obviously a dream home, a sedan, many other things you
Yes.
manifest throughout your journey. So
Hmm.
my point is, एक पॉइंट आता है जब यू रियलाइज कि एक्चुअल में यू आर क्रिएटिंग दिस, राइट? यू आर
Hmm.
को क्रिएटिंग दिस विद
Yeah.
some higher energy, right? If you
Yes.
understand what I'm
Yeah.
trying you to say.
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Totally.
so so वो point आपके लिए क्या था? What was that point for you?
I'll share a very personal story actually. College के बाद it was so confusing that क्या करना है, because I always knew that I'm not cut out to be working under someone else. I mean ये बहुत cliche लगता है, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि I don't want a boss and stuff, but I genuinely don't think I am cut out to work under someone, because how dominant my creative styles are. मतलब मुझे जो चाहिए वो चाहिए in a certain way, and doing all those internships were just like horrible for me. So this is not about a career revelation, but I was in a period जहाँ पे everything was so confusing. And then in personal life also, I have been dating now for 8 years, but तभी we had a breakup, and everything was like so confusing. Just out of college, work is also confusing, relationship is also confusing. So I manifested the relationship back, and we got back after 6 months or so, and like we went stronger than we were before. So that kind of was a turning point. Okay, this cannot be coincidence. Like after so much has happened, this surely cannot be coincidence. And also second thing, my father was very not sure about me having my own business.
Hmm.
My mom was on board. She was like, okay, she's a teacher. My mother is a teacher, and my father is in the creative field. He's also like a advertising
Okay.
person. And tabhi I was into graphic designing, so
Hmm.
I wanted to have my own agency and stuff back then. So see, like from there to here, it's
Hmm.
like been a very confusing and uh crazy journey. So tabhi I wanted my own thing. So I used to think, no, dad will think that I need a few more like experiences. I need few more mentors ahead, and that is exactly what he was saying. फिर एक दिन जब पैंडमिक का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ दैट 21 days वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू, माय फादर सेंट मी द मैसेज कि देखिए 21 days से ज़्यादा चलने वाला है, दिस इज योर इंटर्नशिप ऑल्सो विल नॉट टर्न इन टू अ जॉब बिकॉज दे विल नॉट हायर एनी वन इन दिस सिचुएशन. फिर दैट डे आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो अलग ही हो रहा है, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू अलाउ मी ओनली टू डू एनीथिंग. देन आई वाज वॉकिंग नीचे एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई एम आई सेइंग दैट ही वोंट अलाउ मी, like why am I manifesting that he won't allow me? Let's just try thinking na कि he will allow. Why am I not thinking if I know about manifestation? So I had already decided my company's name being Precious. My name is Anmol, so मुझे
Hmm.
company's name
Hmm.
Precious चाहिए था, and where I would like design my own stationery and own products. I will make the prints and then make the products. And then 20 minutes later I come home एंड आई शावर्ड एंड फिर डैड का फ़ोन आता है कि मैंने तुझे बोला ना ये बहुत बड़ा चलने वाला है, हमारे फील्ड में भी सबका ऑलरेडी ले ऑफ्स चालू हो गए हैं, सो योर जॉब इज नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक योर इंटर्नशिप इज नॉट गोइंग टू टर्न इनटू अ जॉब, we'll start your own company. And I was like, what? Like crazy. And then 5 minutes later he's like, if you don't mind, I have also thought of a name, Precious would be so good. And I was like, huh? Like literally he said the same exact thing, and it was just like crazy how people can, like telepathy एक बात होती है, but when people start mirroring exactly what you
Hmm.
are saying ना, it
Hmm.
cannot be a coincidence, it
So true.
cannot be ऐसे ही telepathy every single time, you
Every
know.
single time. No. Yeah.
And telepathy तो चलो ठीक है, me and my father can even have a telepathy,
Hmm.
but how can me and some random person who's serving me at a coffee shop have a telepathy that he's suggesting me that only which I'm seeing on the menu and stuff? You know, it's just like mirroring of your thoughts and you are creating.
I would rather say it's like energy matching, or
Yeah,
like, yeah, it's more or less that
yeah.
mirroring. I mean, mirroring can be slightly negative at times as well, but yeah,
Hmm.
energy matching is like completely when
Yeah.
you and the person or the other thing is at same page, and obviously I had
But
similar
actually
experiences like you. Yeah,
negative चीजों में भी होता है, you know.
hota hai. That I agree.
If I'm
That I agree.
thinking like even today with me and my mom or my boyfriend and I, कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि oh, he's not in a good mood, he's not in a good mood, and then he's actually fine, but because of me then it gets
You get
translated.
mirrored. Hmm.
So yeah,
Hmm.
it works
It
either way.
it worked both, and yeah, that too I agree. Like हर बार coincidence नहीं हो सकता. Then that's the point where you are co-creating.
Yes.
That's not a point where you think कि हर बार coincidence हो रहा है. No, that's
हाँ.
not. You are vibing on that energy, and that's how you. So yeah, so that was the point where you realize that it's
Yes, these two
manifesting.
things. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah.
And then how precious wala thing got.
हाँ.
So how that thing changed?
So
Yeah.
that is still there. Like I'm running two businesses right
Okay.
now, and Precious has turned into. Pehle I was actually a graphic designer for brands also. So I started as I will design a logo and branding for you, and that went out very well also. But again, udhar bhi yahi cheez aayi that someone else is guiding me for their brand
Hmm.
and telling me what to do. So that freedom as a personality, which I told you that I am, कि मुझे like I want certain things certain ways. So even if the brand was turning out amazing because of the owner's vision, I was personally not happy because मुझे लगता था कि मैंने जो सोचा था वो कुछ और हो सकता था, you know.
Hmm.
So that was not completely satisfying. And
Hmm.
side by side, we started like I used to illustrate, draw on my iPad and stuff, and those prints were coming out very nice in my head also, and reality also, because I am someone who loves what I do and what I am feeling कि सही जा रहा है तो वो सही जाता है. So that's how I decided कि इतना अच्छा अगर मेरे prints हो रहे which you know relatable doodles and drawings, so let me convert them into products. So now we have turned into books and stuff. And yeah, we started doing exhibitions. We started jahan pe pop-up
हाँ,
stores रहते हैं ना.
pop-ups.
So we did so many of them last year, and right now, because manifestation page has gotten so much more
Yeah,
traction and so much boom, my precious baby is a little sidetracked,
taken
but
aback.
yeah,
हाँ.
but it's there.
But yeah, your manifestation page is blooming, and I think the best part would be when people coming to you and they say that my this thing got
Yeah,
done, and this, how beautiful that feels.
it's
How I
crazy.
mean, apni victory though you feel good, but if someone
Yeah,
else does,
damn.
yeah, so it's
In my first goddess batch now, August is the second batch. First started in July. Usme by the end of the month, one was already proposed, one was pregnant, one moved to another dream city that she wanted to move to. It is crazy. I get goosebumps every time. You know, इतना मुझे manifestation के बारे में, you know, I'm a coach and all, तो इतना पता है. And so many years से I'm doing, but every time I have such a success story, I am mind blown always. I'm like every time मैं कैसे ऐसे इतना इतना mind blown कैसे हो सकती हूँ जब मैं ही सिखा रही हूँ ये. But that experience is
and
crazy
I think
always.
that is the thing that will keep you going, because if you are into, क्योंकि manifestation तो होती
Yeah.
उस vibration पे है ना, right?
हाँ,
So अगर
हाँ.
आप उस vibration के लिए neutralize हो जाओगे तो कभी भी और
Exactly.
manifestation. So
Yeah.
I think it's very good that you are still like
Surprised, yeah.
amazed every time, because that will keep you moving, and that will keep you in that vibe that every time it will give you more happiness.
Yeah,
Like
yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't think of it that way. Such a nice thought.
I mean, I felt like saying it. So
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
So
really
I
nice.
think it should be really good for your upcoming victories
Hmm.
as well, because once you are like, I mean, this happened for everything. Once we neutralize and take things, हाँ ये
Hmm.
तो हो ही जाएगा. Fear that, because you are somewhere in
No, you
taken
know,
for
but
granted.
it's
हाँ.
so funny that हाँ ये तो हो ही जाएगा जब मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ लाइक पर्सनली करियर वाइज एंड ऑल स्टफ पहले पहले हाँ ये तो हो ही जाएगा यूज्ड टू बी फॉर सच स्मॉलर थिंग्स एंड नाउ आई हैव अपग्रेडेड टू सच बिगर थिंग्स कि हाँ यार ऑफ कोर्स गाड़ी तो हो ही जाएगी एंड देन द कार हैपेंड बट स्टिल दैट कार का माइंड ब्लोइंग फीलिंग वाज स्टिल देयर सो it starts with हाँ ये तो हो ही जाएगा so that feeling is great that helps you believe कि yes this can be done but when it's done वो जो mind blown वाला feeling रहता है that's crazy so yeah both are amazing.
Both are. इसमें मेरा एक छोटा सा experience है which I want to share.
Yeah.
I actually booked a Baleno when
Okay.
I was looking for a second car. Like मैं एक car बहुत time से चला रही थी, तो I was looking अब मुझे अपनी लेनी है. I was using my dad's car for longest time. And then I was like कि मुझे अपनी लेनी है. It was 2016 I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah, 2016 only. So I went and I booked a Baleno. सब कुछ हो गया and they said you have a waiting period of 3 months. My manifestation chart, or should I say visualization वाली जो जगह है उस पे there was a sedan every time.
Vision
it was
board,
a Honda City. It was a sedan. Matlab, I mean, in my mind, there was no hatchback or no SUV. It was a sedan in my visualization. And then I don't know, something happened and someone said something to me. There were things which were not good. Kuch hua. I was not in a very good phase. Then I suddenly everything changed and I went back to that Maruti station. I said कि मुझे Baleno चाहिए. I want to switch back to Nexa and I want to go for Ciaz, right? So वो cancel हो गया and it just upgraded to sedan. So I mean वो automatically आपकी चीज हो जाती है and I मतलब मैं personally मतलब I wanted to go with that. So I mean ये this is the power of manifestation.
Yes,
this is
of
something
course.
which happens like जो आपको what you were और आपको लग रहा होता है कि चीजें शायद आपके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रही, but it's for much better.
Exactly. It's so funny
as well.
that I have a similar story with my car.
Please
Where
tell. हाँ.
मैंने I've since I was in the 9th grade मतलब almost 10 साल हो गए उसको. I've always wanted a Honda Jazz. So and मुझे ड्राइविंग आती नहीं थी अब तक. So I was buying the car first and then going to learn driving on that. So everyone was like कि obviously यार फिर तो pre-owned ही लेना, ये ठुक वुक जाएगी कहीं, मतलब practice के लिए you buy a pre-owned car. So we went to the pre-owned car exhibition and ये तो बहुत cut short करके बोल रही हूँ मैं, but we went and I already like was seeing my mom and my boyfriend and everyone was like सिर्फ jazz पे मत अटके रहना, just see everything with an open mind. So I told you कि you know, any random person also mirroring your thoughts
Hmm.
exactly. That was in an example के I was openly seeing all cars, एंड जो मुझे कार दिखा रहे थे वो एग्जीक्यूटिव वहाँ के, ही केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि मैम अगर आप लर्न कर रहे हो और आपको अच्छी स्मूथ नाइस स्पेशियस कार चाहिए तो आपको होंडा जैज के लिए जाना चाहिए. And I'm just looking at my boyfriend like, what did he just say? Like, क्योंकि मैं तो
Hmm.
openly पोलो भी देख रही थी, रैपिड भी, स्कॉडा भी देख रही थी. So he just came and told me about Honda and I was like, wow, this is like crazy. फिर मैंने वो बुक कर ली वहाँ पे, ग्रे कलर की होंडा सिटी, ग्रे कलर की होंडा जैज. तो I came home and then I'm looking at my vision board and बचपन से I have wanted a maroon Honda Jazz. My vision board also is right next to me. उस पे मरून होंडा जैज है एंड आई एम लाइक एम आई सेटलिंग, मैंने लाइक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इट्स होंडा जैज बट ग्रे कलर की बुक की है एंड पता नहीं मरून नहीं है ये. बट आई वाज लाइक ठीक है यार, पार्शियल मतलब ठीक है, 9 years से आई वांटेड दिस, ठीक है, इट्स फाइन, लाइक आई एम हैप्पी, इट्स होंडा. Next day it comes so that my mom can give a final approval and we can pay the amount and stuff. And कुछ तो हुआ, my neighbor has his own garage and full mechanic and stuff. तो उन्होंने आके देखा कि ये गाड़ी सही नहीं है. And my heart was broken. I started crying कि ऐसे कैसे cancel कर दी मामा ने. I call him Mama, my neighbor. But I was crying, crying, crying. The same day, my boyfriend came to me and he took me to another place which had Honda Jazz Maroon,
Maroon. Hmm.
which was one level ऊपर, same price, better, like better condition. आज भी कोई भी मेरी कार चलाता है, दे लाइक यू नो द पर्सन हु टॉट मी हाउ टू ड्राइव, वो अंकल ने भी चलाई, ही कुड नॉट बिलीव दिस कार इज 6 years old. इज
Hmm.
लाइक 1-2 साल के ऊपर लगता ही नहीं, इट्स सच अ ग्रेट कंडीशन. सो
Hmm.
या, एवरीथिंग हैपेंस फॉर अ रीजन एंड
Hmm.
एग्जैक्टली हाउ योर
Hmm.
सबकॉन्शियस हैज ऑलरेडी बिलीव्ड.
True.
10 साल से आई हैव बीन बिलीविंग मरून जैज, तो
Hmm.
इट कांट गो अगेंस्ट दैट.
Yes, right. And it happens why मैं बोल रही हूँ, but you, I mean, these are no
Hmm.
coincidences. You are always co-creating and always like the thoughts are coming because you can build them. It's just
Yeah.
कि लोग सोचते हैं कि ऐसा thought कैसे आ सकता है, ऐसा इसलिए आ सकता है because you have ability to create
Yeah.
those things into your life. So yeah, it happens. I mean, the same happened with my home. I wanted a kind of
Yeah.
apartment where this was this and this one, and when that thing came into picture I was like
Hmm.
ये तो बिल्कुल मैं ऐसा ही
वैसा
सोच
ही
रही थी.
है.
So I mean it just happened, like it feels so great, it feels so
Yeah.
amazing.
I
So
am in the process of manifesting a home.
hmm,
So
I'm
वही
sure you
लिस्ट
will be able
लिस्ट
to.
चल रही है मेरी, क्या क्या होना चाहिए.
Wo, I mean, obviously it took time. It takes time.
Yeah,
Like
of
for me,
course.
it took approximately 6 years, 6 7 years. I won't
Yeah.
say it was easy process, but yeah. Matlab when it comes into picture, when you are,
Yeah.
I still when I sit there and feel like I feel I can understand the journey I
Yeah.
went through to manifest that place for me.
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली कभी कभी गाड़ी देख के भी ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, दिस इज माय कार. लाइक फर्स्ट 2-3 weeks तो आई जस्ट कुड नॉट बिलीव, बिकॉज एज वाइज ऑल्सो आई एम 24 राइट नाउ. तो
Very.
लाइक आई जस्ट गॉट इट बिफोर माय 24th birthday and I was just like, what is this? This is my car. Like it was just
Hmm.
crazy. So I'm sure you feel the same about your home as well.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's not about the bigger thing. It equally about the जो भी छोटा छोटा भी होता है ना
हाँ
वो.
हाँ, ऑफ
हाँ.
कोर्स वो तो है, बट यू
हाँ.
नो
So,
दैट होम इज लाइक वन
हाँ.
वन ऐसा एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप इन आवर ब्रेन. सो
Yeah, right. I agree. हाँ, मतलब, but yeah, it happens every time you manifest. But yeah, there
यस,
are many things still which I'm manifesting. So
इट्स
let's see how
डन.
that goes. But yeah, I'll surely reach out and take a coaching from you
यस.
if that's needed. Or you want to share something special in your whole journey, especially after college to college to coaching people. I mean, any major milestones or anything you feel like sharing for inspiring
इनफैक्ट
people.
माइलस्टोन से काफी ऑपोजिट आई वांट टू टेल पीपल. 3 years आई डिड नथिंग. आई
Uh,
लिटरली डिड नथिंग. आई वाज थिंकिंग क्या करूँ क्या करूँ. हाँ, इधर उधर की इंटर्नशिप्स की, बट like I don't consider I did anything because it was just not fulfilling enough. So I just want to tell people who are inclined to unconventional things जो कभी हुई नहीं है पहले, or you're you know inclined to certain things that society has not seen currently, don't be like scared or don't be like कैसे होगा. When manifestation में वो कैसे होगा पे अटक जाते हैं ना, वो आगे नहीं
mm,
बढ़ता. So even when I had not seen this coming, seen this career coming for me, mera always clear tha that I want to be famous and I want to help people. Like being famous maybe might sound a little shallow and might sound के you know ऐसे कैसे wish है कि famous होना है, but होना है यार. मतलब I want to be famous. I would always mention that I want to be someone people are inspired by. So
Motivated by.
कभी पता नहीं था कि this would be it. But just when you're confused and when you don't know what you're doing, just be sure of the feeling that you want. वो 2-3 points clear रखो कि मुझे life में what fulfilling feeling I want to do, like I had कि I want to help people and be famous while doing it. इतना तुम्हारा अगर wise clear है ना, तो then it will fall in place. The how पे अटक जाए तब it becomes
That's not.
yeah.
And one thing which you said, I would slightly disagree that famous hona is shallow. I don't feel like. I don't feel like that, because अगर आपकी calling वो है तो I don't think कि इसमें कुछ shallow वाली चीज है. Like
नहीं, for me also it's not.
खान ऐसा सोचता या फिर कोई भी for that matter ऐसा सोचता तो फिर वो आज वो achieve नहीं कर सकते थे जो आज वहाँ पे हैं. So I don't think I mean that's also a calling, and that's a precious calling, and everybody should follow that. There is nothing like, क्योंकि हम materialistic को थोड़ा सा नीचे रखते हैं कि हाँ भाई हम spiritual है, हमें help करनी है, ठीक है वो एक aspect है, but I think everybody needs everything. और तुम्हें मिल के आए तुम छोड़ दो, वो तुम्हारी बात की बात है.
Exactly.
मतलब मैं फेमस, मतलब तुम फेमस होगी उसके बाद तुम्हें लगे नहीं अब ठीक है नॉर्मल लाइफ ठीक है, तो then you leave it, but achieve it, then leave it. जो पहले ही लीव करने की जरूरत नहीं होती.
Exactly. नहीं, मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता था that you know famous होना गलत है, but you know when someone used to ask ऐसे फेमस होना तो नहीं बोल सकते for some reason, या बोल दे तो भी लगे कि बच्ची पागल है.
हाँ वो लोगों का थिंकिंग, बट आई थिंक अगर वो आपने अगर वो फॉलो नहीं किया होता तो you must have understood this.
Now to
and that's
being famous, I guess. और
हाँ, there is a long way to go. हाँ, but there is a long way to go. Yeah.
Yes. So फिर वही comes to you know I have always wanted materialistic रखती हूँ मैं ऊपर. It's not that I don't keep it ऊपर. You know I luxury bag. I want that trip to Paris. I want to go by business class. I want that Mercedes car. Why not? Actually चाहिए तो सबको रहता है. बस vocal लोग अलग-अलग level पे रहते हैं. But yeah, but I get messages like
guys, we had a slight technical glitch and we are back. So बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें. Anyways, so yeah, Anmol, coming back to you. You were talking about materialistic
yes,
things.
Yes.
So go ahead.
Yeah. So people often ask me, okay, you know, if you're so spiritual and if you're in this, you know, higher power journey, so you know, why do you want to focus on materialistic things? Because मुझे जाना है Paris, मुझे जाना है business class में. I want that luxury bag. I want that Mercedes. So it's just that I am very vocal about this because I know that I am creating that, you know. So it's not that कुछ गलत है इसमें. It's just सबको चाहिए होता है. Everyone wants it. The is different. The level of accepting कि हाँ भाई मैं ये कर सकती हूँ is different. So I am very confident with my manifestations that I know that I can have these, and this is also my one way of manifesting it कि मैं I'm voicing it out, I'm announcing it कि मुझे ये सारी चीजें चाहिए, which is for me the first step कि okay, this is clear that this is mine. So yes, I am a material girl in a material world, so I love it.
And I think the balance is needed. It's not like कि आप हिमालय पे जाके यार संन्यास तो लेने रहे हो.
Exactly.
So when you are living in a 3D third dimension world, you should be materialistic and you should be creating that balance कि हाँ मुझे सब चाहिए. I want to live a fulfilled life.
Exactly.
That doesn't mean you become greedy of things and do वो method use करो जो सही नहीं है. That's not right, obviously. But as long as you are manifesting with honesty, I don't think there is.
Yes.
So I would second you on that. And on that note, I would want to ask you one thing. Like obviously you have a detailed course and people can reach out for that. But yeah, any 3 tips which you feel that is important for manifesting?
Okay. Top so 3. Firstly, तो very 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 basic के believe that ये possible है. You know, even when I started the journey, some certain things that I'm living today were unimaginable तभी. I can do these things, I can earn so and so amount, I can have fulfilling friendships who would love me the same way I love. Basically सबके limiting beliefs अलग होते हैं. किसी का limiting belief around money होगा, किसी का limiting belief around specific person होगा कि can I be loved this way by someone. And first step is to believe, make yourself, talk to yourself कि भाई तू क्यों नहीं बिलीव कर रही है. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट हैपेंड इन चाइल्डहुड दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू बिलीव दिस. Like resolve that thing, decode that thing, and talk to yourself that this is possible. That is the first thing कि भाई possible तो है. first step believe कर लो. Second, what I would suggest is don't put a higher limit or lower limit on something. मतलब जितनी एक कॉफी इजी है मैनिफेस्ट करना, उतनी एक मर्सिडीज भी इजी है. मतलब इट्स लिटरली द सेम थिंग. 10,000 and 10 lakhs 10 crores में फर्क नहीं है, बिकॉज दीज आर ह्यूमन मेड वैल्यूज. 10,000 कम है एंड 10 करोड़ ज्यादा है, ये हमने बनाया है. इट्स नॉट अ यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी अमाउंट के इसका लेवल ऊपर है, इसका लेवल नीचे है. तो अगर तुम एक कॉफी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो, जो तुम कर ही सकते हो, तो यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट a whole mansion also. anything literally anything. So वो comparing level के यार मुझे तो छोटी छोटी चीजें ही होती है, बड़ी नहीं होती है, that I would like tell you to remind yourself के use it as a bouncing power कि मेरा ये हो गया तो of course यार ये होगा. And this is the reason I do manifestation challenges on my Instagram, on my reels के इस week हम ये manifest करेंगे as a group, and then people get so excited कि ओ मैंने blue car देख ली. तो then I like tell them to use that excitement for bigger goals in their personal life. So yes, keep doing challenges for yourself. कोई भी चीज बड़ी छोटी नहीं है एक दूसरे से. Everything is equal. And जितनी important तुम उसको बनाते हो उतनी. Like you decide the values. So if you are casual about a Mercedes, then it's yours,
So true.
Yes. And third thing is be okay with negative thinking यार. मतलब don't be like oh negative thinking आ गया तो मेरा manifestation नहीं होगा. That is also a manifestation. If you are saying कि negative thought आ गया और अब इसके वजह से मेरा manifestation नहीं होगा, फिर यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग कि वो मैनिफेस्टेशन ना हो जाए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थॉट. सो यू हैव टू बी लाइक हाँ नेगेटिव थॉट आया, वो जा भी रहा है, दिस डजंट मीन कि मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन अफेक्ट हो रहा है.
So true. Amazing.
बिकॉज वी आर नॉट रोबोट्स. वो थॉट्स आने वाले हैं, इट्स ओके, बट जस्ट मेक श्योर कि अगर आज 10 आ रहे हैं तो with your journey कल 8 आ जाए, just like lesser and more confident in yourself.
This is a very deep thought. बहुत ज़्यादा deep बात है. And the thing that you said, like हर किसी के unresolved traumas होते हैं, inner child issues होते हैं, that causes your limiting beliefs. As soon as you resolve that, वो ठीक हो जाता है. And universe is abundant यार, उसमें कोई limit नहीं है कि ये Mercedes है, ये coffee है या ये XYZ, उसके लिए abundance है. So the more you believe in abundance, the more you are tapped into that frequency. अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन मुझे आपसे बात करते करते आया. There are people who say we should not manifest specific person, but I think you believe that this is not and you are the first or second person I saw who said this. There should not be something like that. So how why do you believe that, and what are your perspective with that?
Okay, so this is quite fascinating. पहली बात तो I do believe in this because I have done this for myself 2 times with the same person. So even when I started dating my boyfriend when 8 years ago, तभी manifestation, like you said, वो word नहीं पता था. But now that I look back at it, I know exactly what I did. So we were just like casual and not looking for anything serious, but I knew that I wanted this person forever, and it somehow happened like that. And second time also, when we broke up last time, and I realized that this is the person I want to be with forever. So no matter what the circumstance is, I know that this is mine, and that's how it manifested. So ये 2 बार होने की वजह से firstly my belief got stronger that this is possible and this is something you can do. Second reason why I believe in it so much is अभी तुमको लगता है कि यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, तो ये बात गलत है, देयर विश इज समथिंग एल्स एंड all of that. Now I want to ask a question. Even if you are manifesting a free coffee, वो भी तो एक specific person ही तुमको दे रहा है ना. Even if you are manifesting anything else, there is 80% of the time another person involved in that story. तो
Hmm.
why do we think that, oh, that is not okay?
Hmm.
अगर
Okay.
एक स्पेसिफिक पर्सन तुमको कोई गिव अवे एंड यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग दैट, तो उसमें भी
Hmm.
तो स्पेसिफिक पर्सन आ गई ना कि ये इन्फ्लुएंसर तुमको देगी वो गिव अवे।
Hmm. Hmm.
तब हम क्यों
Hmm.
नहीं सोचते कि दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल?
Hmm.
So
Got it.
it's not different at all. If you
Hmm.
say कि manifesting specific person is bad or it's impossible, फिर तुम्हारे लाइफ में वो स्टोरी के वो हिसाब से चलेगा. If you
Hmm.
say it's completely natural and my person wants me also, your
Hmm.
life is going to show that. Because
Hmm.
influencer जब तुमको गिफ्ट दे रही है, तुम भी क्या सोच रहे हो कि वो
Hmm. Hmm.
against है.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Be the
Hmm.
same for everything.
That way. Yeah, I like that perspective. को कहीं ना कहीं it's fine. But yeah, इसमें मेरे को ये लगता है कि we can add that thing कि ठीक है, if that's not happening, you should not get attached to yourself. For
Exactly.
you,
वो
it was a
हाँ.
longer, obviously there was a
Yes,
longer
yes.
relation. You might have known
Yeah.
feelings. कुछ भी हो सकता है, but there are
हाँ.
people जिसे other side of story शायद ना पता हो, right? You
हाँ
don't
हाँ.
know what's happening in the mind
Attachment
of person.
अटैचमेंट तो
हाँ,
कोई भी मैनिफेस्टेशन के लिए अच्छा
कोई
नहीं है.
हाँ,
इवन
true,
जब मैं
true,
कार
true.
मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ तभी भी वो इतने साल अटैचमेंट की वजह से नहीं हुई. द ईयर आई
Hmm.
लेट गो ऑफ दैट अटैचमेंट कि भाई ये चीज अगर मेरी ही है तो वो अटैचमेंट डज नॉट मेक सेंस, तब दैट कार
Hmm.
वाज माइन. सो
Hmm.
अटैचमेंट तो एनी विच वेज एनी स्टोरी में ठीक नहीं
हाँ
है.
हाँ and you are open to always the highest good के
यस ऑफ
similarly
कोर्स.
like I tried for Balino but obviously my highest good was with
हम्म.
Siddhant so it has to be Siddhant right
या
so you
या.
should be open to good के हाँ भाई
यस.
that's not so that's great yeah that's great I think I mean ये question मेरे mind में था but then I forgot and then it came and again so maybe it was
Yes,
meant to
I'm
be.
glad that I could give you this perspective.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I loved your perspective on this. So okay, so last parting notes to my listeners, and then yeah, maybe we
Yes.
can wind this up for today. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so yes, I am so glad that we did this, and I hope that जो भी basic manifestation questions or any manifestation try करने के लिए motivation if I have given you, I am very happy if I have been able to do that. And if you want more such stories, I share a lot. I am a very very social person, and I put my life on there on the internet. So if you want to see all of that, my manifestation page is manifestation.goddess. You can also see Anmol Thakkar there. And yeah, I will keep sharing stuff there. And yes, it was lovely. This is the first podcast I have ever been on. And I am manifesting for me to have a podcast someday. So, Stuti, you will surely be there.
Sure, and I will surely be like if you want any help, I would be there. Like I
Yes, I
would
will
love to.
ask you a million
Sure,
questions.
sure, anytime. So I will be specifying all your detail wherever I'm
Okay.
marketing this. So people, please feel free to reach out and join her batches. Learn
Yes.
from her. I mean that's like maybe I'm the channel to make people reach out to you. So yeah, I would
Yes.
love to be that. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for listening to us. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I'll see you another one. Bye.